exploring the latest developments in blockchain. A closer look at this week's news. A new article by Dennis Hilleman, published on Medium. It is read to you by an artificial intelligence. Welcome to the Law of the Future podcast. It features articles and insights from Dennis Hilleman, an international expert in law and technology. He is a partner at the Hamburg office of the global law firm Field Fisher.
As the founder of the Blockchain Lawyers Network, I keep up with the newest advancements in the sector. Here are the 5 most captivating changes I discovered this week. Privacy and blockchain. The U.S. election of 2020 saw a dramatic shift in the political landscape. One of the top priorities for the new Congress is protecting the privacy rights of Americans, and blockchain privacy groups are urging incoming lawmakers to make this a priority. Recent advancements in technology and the rise of cryptocurrency have made protecting the privacy of our citizens even more difficult. Whether it is government surveillance or corporate data collection, our privacy rights are being eroded. Blockchain privacy groups are advocating for legislation that will help protect our right to privacy and provide an avenue for recourse if those rights are violated. The first step for the new Congress is to pass legislation that ensures data protection for U.S. citizens. Blockchain privacy groups are calling for strong regulations on data collection and usage, as well as laws that prevent government agencies from accessing personal information without a court order. It is also important for the new Congress to recognize the growing power of blockchain technology. Cryptocurrency is now more mainstream than ever, and blockchain technology has far-reaching implications that go beyond the financial realm. Blockchain technology can help to safeguard people's private data, create secure contracts and forms of digital identification, and provide new methods of financial transactions. In order to make the most of this technology, it is essential that the new Congress implements laws that protect the privacy rights of individuals, while also allowing the technology to thrive. These laws should be transparent, enforceable, and recognize the importance of our digital liberties. Blockchain privacy groups are hoping that the new Congress will take up this challenge and ensure that all Americans enjoy the privacy rights that they deserve. A warning. The U.S.'s Commodity Futures Trading Commission (CFTC) recently issued a warning to exchanges and cryptocurrency firms involved in self-certifying tokens. The CFTC is concerned that these firms lack the necessary expertise and experience to properly evaluate if a token is a security or commodity, and whether its sale would be subject to CFTC regulation. This warning comes after numerous reports of self-certified tokens being sold to the public without oversight from the CFTC or any other financial regulator. This has caused concern among investors, who are worried about the potential for fraud or manipulation. CFTC Chairman Heath Tarbert has stated that the CFTC's warning should not be interpreted as a blanket prohibition on self-certifying tokens. Instead, the Commission wants exchanges and crypto firms to understand the importance of properly evaluating if a token is a security or commodity, and to consult with appropriate regulatory authorities if they are unsure. The warning from the CFTC is especially important given the recent surge in cryptocurrency interest and trading. With the market becoming increasingly crowded, it's essential that exchanges and crypto firms take the time to properly assess tokens before offering them for sale. This way, investors can rest assured that their investments are safe and secure. The CFTC's warning highlights the importance of effective risk management and proper due diligence when it comes to cryptocurrency trading. By taking the time to properly evaluate tokens before offering them for sale, exchanges and crypto firms can help protect investors from potential scams and manipulation. In conclusion, the CFTC's warning should serve as a reminder to exchanges and cryptocurrency firms to take the proper precautions when self-certifying tokens. By following the CFTC's guidance and consulting with the appropriate regulatory authorities, exchanges and crypto firms can help ensure that their offerings are in compliance with applicable laws and regulations. Thiel is at it again. Billionaire investor Peter Thiel has made headlines recently for his decision to sell off his entire stake in the leading digital asset, Bitcoin. He has declared it a successful investment and opened the door for corporations to consider a cryptocurrency pivot. This move could mean major progress for the crypto world as more and more corporate giants jump on board the digital asset train. Thiel's move is a significant step forward for the crypto world, as a major investor and prominent figure publicly expressing his confidence in the market and his Bitcoin investments. This endorsement could open the door for other companies to pay attention and even consider making the switch to investing in digital assets. The cryptocurrency market has been booming as more and more people have begun to recognize its advantages and potential. In fact, the total cryptocurrency market capitalization has surged past the $2 trillion mark recently and is continuing to grow. Thiel's move to sell off his Bitcoin stake is an indication that even he, an active investor in the crypto markets, is cashing in on the gains. The move to sell off his Bitcoin may also be a sign that Thiel is looking to diversify his investments and pivot from crypto as a whole. His exit from the market could signal a larger corporate pivot towards cryptocurrency. This could lead to more corporate entities entering the crypto space, potentially driving up prices and making the crypto markets even more appealing to investors. Peter Thiel's decision to sell off his Bitcoin stake could be a major signal to other corporate entities that it is time to seriously consider a cryptocurrency pivot. His endorsement of the digital asset and his successful investments could be a catalyst for other corporations to jump on board as well. With the cryptocurrency markets booming, now may be the perfect time for corporations to make the switch and reap the rewards. Is blockchain overhyped? Blockchain technology has been one of the most talked about topics in the technology and business industry for years now. Over the years, there has been much speculation as to whether or not the technology is overhyped or underused. While it has seen numerous applications in various industries, blockchain is still a relatively new technology that has not been fully explored or capitalized on. Blockchain technology can be seen as a decentralized system for storing and sharing data across multiple users. It is secure, reliable, and can create opportunities for businesses and individuals to collaborate on projects or transactions that would otherwise be too risky or expensive to manage. While it has been used in various industries such as finance, healthcare, logistics, and travel, there are still vast opportunities that remain untapped. Blockchain is often touted as a game-changing technology that has the potential to revolutionize the way we do business. While the technology has certainly seen its share of successes and has the potential to create disruptive innovations, it's important to remember that it is still relatively young and much of its application has yet to be realized. Despite the level of hype and buzz surrounding blockchain, many experts believe that the technology is underutilized and vastly undervalued. For example, it has been used to create new payment systems, streamline supply chain management, and even revolutionize how contracts are drafted. However, there are still so many ways that the technology could be applied to make a real difference. As technology continues to evolve and blockchain applications become more commonplace, it's important to consider if the technology is truly overhyped or underused. While blockchain technology certainly has potential to revolutionize many industries, the real questions remain: what will be the tipping point for widespread adoption, and can the technology be leveraged to its full potential? Blockchain and education. This January, the World Economic Forum in Davos hosted an informative and inspiring event on the future of blockchain and how its potential can help drive sustainability in the world. It was an important reminder that education is the key to understanding and using blockchain for the benefit of society. The panel of experts at Davos highlighted the need for continued learning and research related to blockchain technology and its sustainable applications. They argued that technology and digital infrastructure are essential to the future of sustainability, especially in developing nations. Further, they highlighted the importance of educating both policymakers and the public on the potential of blockchain in order to make sure its potential can be used to its fullest extent. The Davos event also highlighted the need for the industry to develop more inclusive and equitable educational systems, as well as to increase digital literacy and education in order to maximize blockchain's potential. They discussed the need for policymakers to look into the use of blockchain and other digital technologies to reduce the risk of fraud and corruption, and to ensure digital security. It is clear that education must play a vital role in driving sustainability in blockchain and beyond. Without the right knowledge, blockchain applications will never reach their full potential. We must ensure that policymakers, businesses, and individuals are educated on the nuances of blockchain and its potential applications, as well as the importance of sustainability. At the same time, we must also maintain an equitable approach to blockchain education. We must make sure that we are sharing knowledge and providing access to education and resources for communities in developing nations. To that end, We need to prioritize research, training, and support that are focused on how blockchain can be used to improve people's lives, protect the environment, and promote the well-being of our planet. The experts at Davos have reminded us that if we wanted to maximize the potential of blockchain and be prepared to face the future, education is the key.
Thanks for listening to this week's episode. If you want to keep up to date with technology and law, connect with Dennis on LinkedIn. Share your thoughts and reach out to him. See you in the next episode.